front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple Layout on this Android. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now scroll to Hit Apps, select the default app and click on Home App over here. Now it's time to apply your launcher by clicking on Launcher Pro and choosing Allow All in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and tapping on Quick Step. If you want to make any changes to your Apple Launcher, just access Launcher app and follow all of the instructions inside. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!